win for the team's overall confidence?
Yeah, we needed it. It's been a rough stretch here, but I think we pulled ourselves up by our bootstraps today, and and got a good win. We definitely needed it, especially going into Maryland on Saturday, which is a huge game here at Fetzer Field. So I'm pumped for that.
I was certainly proud of the effort. The guys did a nice job. We generated a lot of shooting opportunities, 58 in all. I think I was most impressed with our 7 turnovers. I think that was a season low. We had a lot of new faces in there. The 2 freshmen started and did a great job. And I think they're a good team. Dartmouth's a good team, but I was proud of our guys' effort.